I'm Lucas Volger, and I'm going to make my white bean and carrot veggie burgers from my new cookbook, Start Simple. There are a couple reasons I really like this veggie burger. One is that the whole thing comes together in a single skillet, so you don't have to use your food processor. Two, it's got a very straightforward cast of ingredients. There's the carrots and the white beans. We're going to use some shallots. There's apple cider vinegar, a little tomato paste. We're going to bind it with an egg and some breadcrumbs, and that's pretty much it. So the first thing we're going to do is toast the breadcrumbs. I'm just going to toast them in a little bit of olive oil for a couple minutes until they take on a little bit of color and smell really fragrant. Add another splash of olive oil to the pan. You'll need about a tablespoon of tomato paste and about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Stir in the carrots and let them cook for a few minutes until they're nice and soft. It's also good when the carrots start to take on a little bit of color and get sort of blistered and caramelized. Next, you'll deglaze the pan with about 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. To the cooked carrots, go ahead and add that toasted panko. Add 2 cans of drained and rinsed white beans. These are just cannellini beans, but you can use any kind of white bean you find. And use your wooden spoon just to mash the beans into the carrots and the panko mixture. It looks like it won't come together, but trust me, it will. One thing that I kind of like to do is to use this ring mold, which it makes it easy to get them all shaped the exact same size. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they're seared and nicely colored on both sides. And then they'll be a little bit firm to the touch in the center as well. That's my white bean and carrot veggie burger from my cookbook Start Simple. Every chapter in Start Simple is organized around a different everyday ingredient, and this one falls into my beans chapter. I hope you enjoy.